If you haven't done it already, before you watch this video of this saw cutting that there, go ahead and check out the video series, please. See how this saw went from being locked up and unloved in a shed for 20 years to running and cutting again. Do it! Alright, well, we're going to try the first fire over here. Welcome back, everybody. Off of just shooting it down the carb. See if it doesn't do anything weird or funny. And then after that, we'll see if she'll go down the tank. Shall we? No choke. I didn't have the linkage for it. A little weird having them spikes up to stick it up. See how well the starter holds up. Got good compression. I had ignition before I checked, but who knows anymore. Oh, that's a sensitive switch. Oh yeah, there we go. Just need a little more juice. I think I bumped the switch. It's really sensitive. If you touch it forward, it'll turn it off, so. Well, that's more than what it ever had since I've had it. Running away Wile E. Coyote, so that's a positive. And my flat blade's gone. Great. See if I got one back here. There we go. Bump up the idle a little bit. I mean, it was doing good there. I think I was just overfeeding it, so. But, there you go, Sam. Just what you want to see, but I know you want to see more. In the tank. Hopefully it pulls it. Alright, well now that it runs off of prime, let's go ahead and see if it'll draw tank fuel. Let's hope. A thirsty old girl here. watching. I hope you enjoyed this build series. Hopefully we can get some future video of a bigger bar and cutting wood and everything with her. But this saw, this is an absolute monster.